Hello, and welcome to Caller ID Attestation. Today, we'll be covering the stir, shake, and call tester. Now, to get started, what you're going to want to do is have an active subscription with us, and head down to under main navigation and stir, shake, and tools is the call tester. Once you see this page, you can just go ahead and hit activate call tester. Once your call tester is active, you can go ahead and start a new test by hitting start test here. If you wish to add this number that you use to test to your account for scanning, you can check this box if you wish, but this is optional. We're going to go ahead and hit start test. Now, from your dialer software, you're going to want to dial this number at 539-269-1451, for example. This number will vary depending on your account and whether or not you have the tester activated, and may change from time to time. We'll start calling the number now. As you can see, we can now see our stir, shake, and attestation level, which is C, not super good. Our inbound DID, aka the number that we called into. Our caller ID, or the number we called from, which may vary depending on your dialer. The C name that was transmitted, the stir, shake, and certificate that was presented, as well as Veristat validation and P asserted ID for advanced users. We also have certificate information about the stir, shake, and certificate that was provided to us. If we ever wish to review this information, we can always come back here and click show. We can see all sorts of information about a certificate here, or we can present our data from the test here.